Ay, grabe. Tanga, umaalis na dyan. Nagtatrabaho.
All the girls are in the girls' bedroom. All the boys are in the boys' bedroom. Let's go!
Baka. Ninang.
Aga mo kiligin na. Sarap niyan.
Nakakita na kami.
Sa last trip, magkakaband po kaming mga teens. Pero parang may kulang. Bakit niligo ka?
Kaya
Ano ba hindi pa natin ligo? Ayos ko. Iba pa din pag kumpleto, kuya. Grabe yung kaya nga pag ano si kuya na. Hindi pa natin po.
Mama.
I really realized the differences. Especially breakfast, kuya. Yung mga tawa namin is just very nice to hear. Happy family.
At sa panibagong araw, si Jaren may bagong business.
I want to see what you look like in streetwear style.
Sige.
Okay, just wait outside.
Okay,
and then
I will go outside.
I will style you.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
Pagkabuntag, ikaw wala sa huna-huna.
Jaren.
Like this. You know, I was genuinely thinking if I didn't do anything like this, I'd want to be a stylist. And then we do your hair.
Hindi lang bro, kay ulok ko pa rin yan bro.
Sorry, I forgot.
Kailangan ba ito ng makeup, boss?
It's up to you, bro.
Habang abala si Colette sa pagme-makeup to complete her look, ang in-house stylist na si Jaren mukhang in-demand na.
This is a different look now. Whoa, yeah.
Kakulit na rin ako eh. Parang
Nice.
Next customer, please.
This is the easiest hair I've ever done. Oh, yeah. Another happy customer.
Ilang saglit pa,
pusok ba?
Presenting.
Representing my customers. Look, look, look. Yes. Ooh. Jay hair. These are my customers and my newfound talents.
I'm JM Pro from Kes Prov.
How do you feel?
Currently, I'm feeling fine, Kuya.
Hello po, Kuya. I am Ginsoy from South Where is South Cove?
South Coast, Nevada.
My name is Colette from Jensen.
Jaren, sa sobrang galing mo, hindi lang damit ang napalitan sa kanila, pati accent pa.
Tama, naman eh.
We have to ask your customers if they are also satisfied.
For me, Kuya, I'm 100% satisfied po.
Sige sa lagot.
I will give my stylish 5-star. It's a big star, right?
Definitely 100% satisfied, Kuya.
Aba, ayos.
Very comfortable, Kuya. I don't need...
Oh, nakama.
Lahat para sa isang sorpresa.
Gusto nyo bang mas gumanda?
It's a makeover.
Bakit mo nasabi?
Siyempre, tinan mo naman itong mga kanal mo. Tinan mo yung mga buhok.
Jazz, ano ba ang makeover?
It's overall, kuya. So for us girls, it's hair, nails. Like it's a fresh start.
Dahil dyan, bibigyan ko kayong housemates ng isang makeover date. Enjoy, housemates!
Para sa sorpresa ni Kuya, magkahiwalay na pumunta ang mga boys at girls sa kanilang makeover day.
When I walked in at that point, I was just so excited to start.
Oh my God! Peter, mamakalo.
I styled you guys today. And then Kuya did this.
I love Philippines. I love you, kuya. Ganda. Ganda.
You have hair right from here. You have it right there.
Practice ko lang. Bukod po sa ngayon ko lang ho naranasan, kasama ko pa po sila sa unang beses. So, ibang klase po, Kuya.
Ano kaya ang kalalabasan ng makeover ng mga housemates? Abangan!
Arigato gozaimasu.
Ayun na nga, kasunod ng masayang pagsasama muli ng mga teens at adults sa loob ng bahay ay ang inaasam nila na makeover.
Baka naman,